Today, we're going to master linear inequalities, which is one of the important topics
SAT Math.
at Heart of Algebra section. We will solve a basic question and an advanced problem that actually shows up on test day. Alright, let's start simple. You already know what an equation is. An equation is something like 2x plus 3 equals 9. An inequality is almost the same, except instead of an equal sign, we have less than, greater than, less than and equal to, or greater than and equal to. These symbols compare two sides. They tell us when one expression is greater than or smaller than the other. For example, if I say x is greater than 3, that means x can be any number bigger than 3. Pretty simple, right? Now, let's see how the SAT tests this idea. Let's start with a basic question. The question says, which of the following ordered pairs, x and y, satisfies the inequality 5x minus 3y is less than 4? We are given three pairs. We just have to plug them in one by one and check which one makes the inequality true. Let's start with option 1, 1, 1. We replace x with 1 and y with 1. 5 times 1 minus 3 times 1 equals 2. Now is 2 less than 4? Yes, it is. So the first one works. Now option 2, 2, 5. 5 times 2 minus 3 times 5 equals 10 minus 15, which is negative 5. Is negative 5 less than 4? Yes, it is. That also works. Now option 3, 3, 2. 5 times 3 minus 3 times 2 equals 15 minus 6, which is 9. Is 9 less than 4? No, it is not. That one does not work. So the inequality is true for the first and the second ordered pairs. That means the correct answer is 1 and 2 only. This is what we call a basic linear inequality question. Now, let's try a more advanced SAT question. Here's the question. The formula H equals 120p plus 60 shows the relationship between Alice's target heart rate H, in beats per minute, and the intensity level P of different activities. When P equals 0, Alice has her resting heart rate. When P equals 1, Alice has her maximum heart rate. It is recommended that P be between 0.5 and 0.85 for Alice when she trains. Which of the following inequalities describes Alice's target training heart rate? Alright, let's break this down slowly. We are told that H equals 120 pi plus 60, and that the intensity level P is between 0.5 and 0.85. That gives us this inequality for P. 0.5 is less than or equal to P, which is less than or equal to 0.85. Now, we plug these two values into the equation one at a time. First, when P equals 0.5, H equals 120 times 0.5 plus 60. That is 60 plus 60, which equals 120. Next, when P equals 0.85, H equals 120 times 0.85 plus 60. That is 102 plus 60, which equals 162. Now we put those together. That means Alice's target heart rate, H, is between 120 and 162. So the correct inequality is 120 is less than or equal to H, which is less than or equal to 162. That's the right answer, and it matches option A. That's the answer, and that's it. If this walkthrough helped you understand how to solve them, make sure to hit subscribe.